But where this ruling affects people is on irrevocable trusts. So you always hear me talking about revocable trust, but there's also something out there called an irrevocable trust that people use for purposes of going into assisted living. When you go into assisted living, you have to draw down your assets to a certain point before government benefits start to kick in. So what a lot of people do is they put their money, their house, into what's called an irrevocable trust, where they essentially cannot really have anything to say about the property anymore. And the question has become whether or not on death, that property is part of the taxable estate when a person dies. And so what this ruling is basically saying is that if your property is in an irrevocable trust, in other words, you did not have any control over it anymore, so that they are taking the position that when you die, that was not part of your taxable estate anymore. And that means that if it's not part of your taxable estate, the capital gains should apply and you don't get the step-up basis.